Breaking news. Burkina Faso Mega Project 2023 to 2027. Here's a comprehensive look at Burkina Faso's development landscape in 2024 to 2025. Economic performance and outlook. Strong growth rebound, GDP grew 4.9%. In 2024, up from 3%. In 2023, driven by services and agriculture. Per capita GDP increased 2.5%. Poverty reduction, extreme poverty declined by 3 points to around 23%, benefiting mostly rural areas, though over 5.5 million remain impoverished. Risks ahead: insecurity, climate vulnerabilities, and financing challenges, including debt refinancing, pose risks. Under favorable conditions, growth may stabilize around 5% midterm. IMF backing. The IMF completed a review in June 2025, enabling a $32.8 million disbursement. It projects growth around 5% in 2024, with inflation easing to 3%. In 2025, energy and infrastructure. Renewable energy surge. The Codini solar plant, 38 megawatts, commissioned December 2023 near Bobo Dioulasso, generating 73 GWh. The PAR solar station, 30 megawatts, commissioned December 2023. The Donsin solar project, 25 megawatts plus 5 megawatts per 20 megawatt-hour storage, launched. Expected online 2026, reducing reliance on imported electricity. Transport modernization. A $216 million World Bank project to climate-proof roads and rail around Bobo, Horts Bassins, Cascades regions. A $53 million rail upgrade from 2026, including rail factory and Abidjan Kaya rehab. Sanitation and drainage in secondary cities, Bobo Dioulasso, Kaya. Wahiguya receiving storm drainage and solar. Street lights under a $1 billion CFA franc initiative. New Donsin Airport, near Ouagadougou. Aims to modernize aviation, expected opening in 2025. Social and institutional progress. Bioclimatic schools and urban greening, climate adaptive. Energy-saving schools built. A 2,000 hectares green belt around Ouagadougou. For food security and cooling. Healthcare gaps, severe shortages. Persist, only one pediatric eye doctor outside major cities. Rural health disrupted by conflict. Budget reforms, 2025. Budget is youth-focused with demographic dividend sensitivity. Structural adjustments following IMF and UN guidance. Mining policies, moves to nationalize gold mines and build a domestic gold refinery. Control small-scale exports to boost revenue. Political and security landscape. Coup aftermath and leadership. Captain Ibrahim Traore, in power since 2022, promotes Pan-African economic nationalism, aligning more with Russia than France. He postponed elections to 2029. Security crisis, conflict-related. Fatalities have surged. 17,000 plus deaths, with 60% territory outside government control, and displacements exceed 2 million. Burkina Faso is undergoing multifaceted change. Economic progress is notable, with robust growth, poverty reduction, and external support from IMF and World Bank. Infrastructure investment is accelerating, especially in renewable energy and transport.